Good morning, everyone. I am Ronald Escopin Almendra. In behalf of our family, it is with great joy and gratitude that we welcome each one of you to our humble groundbreaking ceremony. Today, we embark on a journey of construction and dreams as we owe our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed partners. Vastana, you are the foundation of our vision, the pillars of our progress, and architects of our aspirations. Your unwavering support and commitment had laid the groundwork for the incredible venture, and we are honored to have you by our side. Together, let's construct a legacy that stands the test of time. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning po sa ating lahat, sa ating partner, Vastana. God really works in His perfect timing. He answers our desires according to His will. He answers our prayers on time, or it will take months, years, and even decades. As mentioned by Sir Edwin a while back, this is the fourth project of Vastana here in Nueva Vizcaya. Yes, po. Today, after how many years, even decades, God answers our prayer as we will have a new home through our partnership with Vastana Properties and Development Corporation. Let us build not just a house, but a haven filled with joy and warmth. Thank you, Vastana. See you on our turnover. Yan. I hope we will see together with our youth.